ورجعنا لكم من جديد ومعنا ضيفاتنا لليوم بريرانا وجريمة من سبروست أب. Good morning. How are you? Good. We would like to hear more about a brief about the company first so we can take it from there.
Sure. So, Spruced Up for Kids is an e-commerce platform for buying all pre-loved kids items. We have thousands of items on our website, and we keep adding every day as we are growing. The main things that we offer to our customers is convenience in terms of free home delivery of the products. We clean and sanitize all the products prior to the delivery. And also on our website, we are very transparent about the condition of every toy and book that we have so that the customers know, how exactly the item is. Along with the store, we also have a library which basically brings the traditional library to the home of the customer's doorstep, but there are no additional delivery charges or registration or deposit fees. So it's a library at your doorstep, essentially, where you can borrow books every month from us.
Nice. That's amazing. How did you come up with this idea?
See, both of us are fellow parents, and we have been experiencing this problem firsthand. So she has two kids, I have one kid. We are buying new items every day, which is like actually a wastage of money and resources. So ideally, buying pre-loved is the only sustainable way for the
True.
future. And currently, all the current platforms of buying pre-loved, it is very inconvenient. You have to negotiate with multiple sellers, arrange the logistics. You are not sure about the condition of the item or anything. So that's how the idea of the Spruce Up is born, and we are now almost 1 year old.
Nice. Are there any numbers you can share with us about like how much parents can actually save by buying pre-owned stuff?
Yeah, definitely. So if you look at pre-loved items, like any item is about 50 to 80% lower than the original cost of that item. So, that's your savings there in each item. And then when you add up, like when you decide to buy pre-loved and make that a lifestyle for yourself, then, your savings just start compounding that way. So definitely buying pre-loved, I think, has a huge portion of, monetary savings that you can realize.
Amazing. Yeah. Yeah, please.
And also after buying pre-loved, your amount of plastic and
Exactly.
amount of paper wastage which you are saving. So as of now, like we have recycled around 1,000 books, 600 toys. So this plastic might have gone just in the bin, or these books must be sitting in someone houses which is of no use. So now these have gone to the different parents and they are using it. And currently we have a tie-up with almost 350 parents who have either bought from us or have sent us something.
Nice. How do you spread awareness between parents and the community about the importance of sustainability, especially by taking such decisions?
Right. So I think right now we are leveraging a lot of our social media pages, like to kind of promote this. We try to do different things like workshops and book club and stuff to kind of involve the kids in it as well. Because I think the important part about doing it with the toys and kids is that you can actually involve the little ones who are going to be our future generation. So once they learn it at this age that you can recycle and reuse your things, it's a natural thing that comes into their conscience, and as they kind of grow up to continue with this, and that's, I think, the right foundation to build for them. So we are right now leveraging a lot of these platforms to kind of involve the little ones and teach them about this, and also encourage the parents to more and more buy. Now with the holiday season coming up, we
Yeah.
also want to encourage the parents to buy a pre-loved gift, be it for their kids or for the other kids that they're going to give to. I think buying a pre-loved gift, along with, of course, you can buy 10 things and add like two pre-loved items. I think that'll make a huge difference in both the way we think about things, as well as how we kind of go into the future with this concept.
And I think everyone in Dubai is currently talking about sustainability because of the expo, right?
Yeah.
So not only us, everyone is talking about sustainability these days, because that's the only way in the future. It
Exactly.
saves you money plus resources.
100%. And it's great, honestly, that you're changing the whole mindset towards those things. But is it easy? Is it hard? Did you find it hard to convince parents, for instance, to buy a pre-owned thing, and especially as you're saying, a gift? So I feel there are two concerns. Like you said, you guys sanitize it and everything. That's one. And the second thing is, would my kid accept it like a pre-owned gift or item?
Right. Yeah.
So actually, if you see, the thing which keeps us going is the positive feedback from the
Nice.
parents. Our Insta page is filled with the positive reviews. And to keep them more encouraged and to at least make them try our store once, we obviously have a lot of offers. So Spruced Up 5 is a discount code which they can use for their first time delivery for AED5 discount. We are offering a free book for this
Nice.
holiday season again. So all these are the ways to tell people to try our store at least once. And for our festivals this season, Prerna and I, we are doing a Spruced Up sponsored festival where we will be giving the pre-loved gift to our guests.
That's very, very nice and encouraging, to be honest. What's like the biggest challenge you guys faced in this process?
Yeah. I think, I mean, definitely, like you were saying earlier, it is a challenge to kind of change the mindset. It's a movement at the end of the day.
Exactly.
Everybody think differently. But I think once, like Garima was saying, we have a lot of repeat customers. So once people try it once, they definitely like the concept. You're doing something good, you're saving money. So it has, it's like a win-win situation. So convincing people, like reaching to more people, bringing them on board with the idea is a bit challenging to begin with. But I think once people try it, it's great. So just getting them involved in first place. The second thing is obviously we make sure, like quality wise, we want to make sure, every condition of every toy is rightly noted. If something is missing, if something, so we do like a proper QA on every item that kind of comes in, which becomes, it's a tedious process that we kind of go through. Again, cleaning and sanitizing, we want to maintain the highest standards before giving it to the customers. So we make sure every item is cleaned nicely, books are sanitized, air dried, all of that. So these are like operationally, it's kind of a process that we invest a lot in to make sure that our end customers like the product, because at the end of the day, it's a mindset shift.
Of
And
course.
if we do it right, people will definitely kind of like it and keep coming back. And again, for the higher good of sustainability, we feel this is the way we want to go in the future. We need to do this.
Yeah, exactly. What about the tech side? Because it's an e-commerce business. Any challenges there?
So see, currently the tech platform we have built ourselves,
Nice.
and so we have two kind of stores. Like one is a normal e-commerce store. So we have divided our products into categories and age groups, so that when the customer comes, it's just not like a store. You can go to the age group of your child, and obviously then the rest of the things of a normal e-commerce store, you place the order, you will get the delivery. For the library, we have a different website, spruceduplibrary.com, where the member comes and every time they can select books worth 50 dirhams. So in the tech side, it's a basic website which is built by both of us, and we are currently in process of building up an app to take the tech to the next level. So it is a process which is taking time as we are growing.
But that's good. That shows that nowadays, with the technology and the knowledge that we have, we are able to start business like by ourselves, at least at the start.
Right. Yeah, and I think that's I think technology has been like the great help for us, because we are now reaching like across UAE. If we had a shop, then I think it would have
Exactly.
been more difficult to kind of bring in everybody. With the help of technology, I think we are able to reach, and we also offer like free delivery across UAE and stuff. So I think that it's great that we are able to leverage technology.
Exactly. Can you share with us like your future plans?
So see, currently our first of our plan is to build up our inventory as much as possible. And as you said, we have to try to change the mindset of the people. So see, occasionally we also participate in some of the thrift stores offline, so that people can actually come and see our products.
Yeah.
Because as a customer, you and me, okay, you still have some doubts, you come to our offline store, which we go for one day, and you see our products. So our future roadmap is to build an inventory, try to attract more customers, change the mindset of the customer. And currently we are doing mostly toys and books. With more encouragement, we want to introduce more categories in our store.
Nice.
So like big products like strollers, cribs and all, because they're actually the customer and I, both of us, we will have add more value to the product, because these are very expensive items. In
Exactly.
future, we may also add clothes and other costumes, because all of our kids have sometimes Frozen Day, sometimes Disney Day, or something like that. So add more categories, add more inventory, and do a lot more about changing the mindset of the people.
And I think just to add on to that, we want to also improve a lot on the technology. I think there is a lot more we can leverage, like technology wise, that we want to leverage and make use of in future. So that's definitely one of the things
That's
we are
that's
thinking
great,
about.
and thank you so much for being part of the movement, like the sustainability movement, and changing the mindset of parents and the whole community, really.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Appreciate the end.
thank you so much, and thank you for being with us. شكرا لكل الناس اللي تابعونا. أنا بشوفكم يوم الأحد بنفس الموعد. Thank you.